Everyone, welcome to Business Education and Research. This video presents about the concept of inventory management, its key component, and the various strategies of inventory management. Inventory management is a critical aspect of supply chain and operations management that involves planning, controlling, and overseeing an organization's inventory. It is the process of efficiently overseeing the flow of goods and materials from suppliers to the manufacturer or wholesaler and then to the end user. Effective inventory management is essential for ensuring that an organization has the right amount of inventory on hand at the right time, minimizing carrying cost and maximizing profits. In this discussion, we will explore the key components and principles of inventory management. This slide shows the key components of inventory management. Demand forecasting. Accurate demand forecasting is the foundation of effective inventory management. It involves predicting the future demand for products based on historical data, market trends, and other relevant factors. The better the forecasting, the more efficiently an organization can manage its inventory. Raw materials. These are the materials and components needed for production. Work in progress. Partially completed products in various stages of the production process. Finished goods. The final products that are ready for sale. MRO, maintenance, repair and operations inventory. Items necessary to keep operations running like tools, spare parts and supplies. Safety stock. Safety stock is buffer inventory kept to mitigate uncertainties in the demand and supply. It acts as safety net to prevent stockouts during unexpected fluctuations. Reorder point. The reorder point is the inventory level at which an order should be placed to replenish stock before it depletes completely. It is calculated based on factors like lead time and safety stock. Economic order quantity. EOQ is a formula that helps organizations determine the optimal order quantity that minimizes the total inventory cost, including ordering and holding cost. It strikes a balance between overstocking and understocking. ABC analysis. This category inventory into three groups based on value or importance. A item are high value and high importance. B items are moderate and C items are low. This calculation helps in prioritizing inventory management efforts. Now let us see the various strategies of effective inventory management. To start with, let us see just-in-time, JIT. Just-in-time. JIT is a strategy aimed at reducing inventory to a minimum by receiving goods only when they are needed for production or sale. It helps minimize carrying cost but requires a reliable supply chain and effective demand forecasting. Let us see the benefits of JIT strategy. Inventory reduction. JIT minimizes inventory level to cut carrying cost. Operational efficiency. Goods received only when needed for production or sale. Supply chain dependence. Success relies on reliable supply chain. Demand forecasting. Effective forecasting is crucial for JIT implementation. Waste reduction. JIT enhances operational efficiency by reducing waste. For example, Toyota is a well-known multinational automobile manufacturer that has successfully implemented the JIT strategy in its production processes. The company is a pioneer in using JIT principles and has been able to achieve remarkable efficiency and cost savings. First in, first out and last in, first out, that is FIFO and LIFO, are the main inventory valuation methods. FIFO assumes that the first items purchased are the first to be used or sold, while LIFO assumes that the last items purchased are the first to be used or sold. Each method has different tax and financial implications. FIFO, first in, first out. It assumes first purchased items are first used or sold. It has impacts on financial statements and tax calculations. It is considered as advantageous in inflationary environments. LIFO, last in, first out. It assumes last purchased items are the first to be used or sold. It has different financial and tax implications than FIFO. Often preferred during periods of inflation, to reduce taxable income. Tax and financial implications. FIFO and LIFO choices affect the calculation of income and tax liabilities. Businesses must consider the method that align with their financial goals and market conditions. Inflationary versus deflationary environments. The choice between FIFO and LIFO may depend on the economic environment. FIFO is typically favorable during inflation, while LIFO may be preferred in deflationary periods. Strategic inventory management. Selecting the appropriate valuation method is a strategic decision that can impact a company's profitability and financial health. Companies should assess their specific circumstances and objectives when choosing between FIFO and LIFO. As mentioned earlier, ABC classification helps in prioritizing inventory management. A items may receive more attention and frequent checks, while C items are monitored less rigorously. Prioritizing inventory management. The ABC classification systems helps allocate resources efficiently. It identifies items that require different levels of attention. A items, high priority, receive intensive monitoring and frequent checks. Typically, these items have a significant impact on revenue or production. B items, that is moderate priority. It requires regular but less intensive management compared to A items. It has moderate impact on operations and finances. C items, that is low priority, monitored less rigorously as they have the lowest impact. Often low value items are those with limited impact on production. Optimizing resources. ABC classification allows for optimal resource allocation and focus. It helps in reducing cost and improving overall inventory management efficiency. This slide shows cycle counting in inventory management. Rather than relying solely on periodic full inventory counts, cycle counting involves counting a portion of the inventory regularly. This approach minimizes disruptions and inaccuracies associated with full counts. Continuous inventory monitoring. Cycle counting involves regular counting a portion of inventory. It ensures ongoing accuracy without the need for full inventory counts. Minimizing disruptions. Cycle counting minimizes disruptions to daily operations. It eliminates the need to halt production or business activities for full inventory audits. Reducing inaccuracies. It provides a proactive approach to identify and rectify discrepancies. It helps maintain a more accurate inventory record over time. Operational efficiency. It enhances overall operational efficiency in inventory management. It allows for timely adjustments, reducing the risk of stockouts or overstock situations. Inventory management software, often integrated with other systems like Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP), plays a vital role in tracking, forecasting, and managing inventory efficiently. It provides real-time data for decision-making. Inventory management software. It is specialized software designed for efficient inventory control, streamlined tracking, monitoring, and management processes. Integrated with ERP systems. Often integrated with Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) systems, it ensures seamless data flow across various business functions. Real-time data for decision making. It provides up-to-date information on inventory levels and trends. It enables informed, data-driven decisions for better inventory control. Efficiency and productivity. It enhances overall efficiency and productivity in inventory management. It reduces manual task errors and the risk of stockouts or overstock situations. Building a strong relationship with suppliers can lead to more reliable and efficient supply chains, reducing lead times, and improving the quality of inventory management. Strengthening supplier relationship. Fostering strong bonds with suppliers through communication and trust encourages reliability and mutual benefits in the supply chain. Reduce lead time. Collaborative relationship often results in quicker response times. Suppliers are more responsive to changes in demand, helping to reduce lead times. Enhancing inventory management quality. Reliable suppliers contribute to better inventory control. Reduced variability in supply leads to more accurate forecasting and lower safety stock requirements. Efficiency in supply chain operations. Supplier collaborations streamlines the supply chain. It results in smoother operations and cost savings.